everyone, welcome to the 19th Learn Livestream session. I'm Sabrina, your host for today. Today's topic is one that every trader has thought about at some point. Can you really beat the markets without spending hours staring at charts? Well, today's your chance to find out. We'll be diving into Bybit's copy trading Gold&FX, discussing how it works and whether it's really the shortcut to success that everyone thinks it is. Now, before we kick things off, a quick reminder that this live stream is available on both the Bybit app and Bybit web. But as usual, for the best interactive experience, do join us on Bybit web, where you can ask all of your burning questions in real time. And of course, we've got some awesome rewards for you. We are giving away $500 worth of Trump tokens via 2 rounds of red packets today. All you have to do is fulfill the requirements and click the red packet on the screen to claim your reward. And if you engage with us in the live chat, you'll also stand a chance to win an additional 50 USDT futures trading bonus. So start commenting and get involved. And don't forget to like this video, share the stream out, and let's make this a fun session. So now let's welcome our 2 incredible panelists who will be sharing their insights with us today. First up, we are very happy to welcome Argyris, a professional trader and founder of Trade Hub Greece. Hi, Argyris. It's great to have you.
Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. How are you doing?
Great. Could you introduce yourself and share your trading experience?
Of course. I have been trading since 2007, and I'm actually have been starting with commodities. So gold was one of my things that I was actually doing. So yeah, I have been continuing, of course, losing a lot of money the first years, but later on, of course, I have been in a lot of education, a lot of work over that. And after like 2014, I have been starting also in crypto. So this is where we are today. We have been trading both. And of course, our students in Trade Hub, they have been doing great here in Greece.
I'm sure the audience is very excited to get some alpha from you today. And next up, we have Eric, Financial Product Manager at Bybit. Hey, Eric, how's it going? I'm sure many of our viewers are already quite familiar with you, but still, please give us a short introduction of yourself for those who aren't.
Yeah, sure. Hi, everyone. This is Eric, greeting from Dubai. I'm the product manager for copy trading and trading support. Glad to join this session to talk about the copy trading and some Gold&FX topics.
Thanks, Eric. Thank you guys both for joining us today. For those of you who are just tuning in, don't forget we've got giveaways happening throughout the stream. Click on the red packet to grab your Trump tokens and make sure you're active in the chat to win the additional 50 USDT futures trading bonus. Now that we're all set, let's just get straight into it. So we hear a lot about copy trading, how it lets users follow pro traders and make money without the stress. Sounds a little too good to be true, right? Well, today we're putting it to the test. We're going to break down how copy trading actually works, who it's for, and whether it's really the shortcut to trading success. Eric, could you please start off by sharing with us what copy trading is and how it enables users to follow expert traders?
Yeah, sure. Copy trading is a simple product. It allows our users to copy other strategies. And there are 2 roles in this product. One is copy trading leaders. The other is copy trading followers. For leaders are those who are experienced traders and are willing to share their strategies. So they can use copy trading to gain followers. And if they made profitable trades, they can get profit sharing. And for followers, they can follow experienced traders in our platform. And for each copy trade, it's run within a separated account. So the followers don't need to worry about the mess up with their copy trading with their own manual trading account. So that is how the system works.
So this also gives people a chance to copy professional traders like Argyris himself as well, right?
Right, exactly.
Okay, and Bybit has recently introduced copy trading Gold&FX. Can you tell us more about this integration and its significance for traders?
Yeah, sure. Let me share my screen first. Okay, here you can hover on the tools, and then you can see our copy trading have new products. Now we have 3 products. First one is a classical copy trading, and the second one is copy trading pro. The third one is our newly launched in January the 15th, copy trading Gold&FX. Yeah, so if you click on it, you will be redirected to the main page of this product. So in copy trading Gold&FX, we sometimes also call it copy trading MT5, copy trading JFX, while referring to the same thing. In this product, all the trading pairs supported in our Bybit MT5 are supported, with only one exception. That is, the crypto trading pairs are removed. The reason is to serve our followers, so that when you come to this page, all the traders you follow are trading non-cryptos. And for our followers, we tried our best to make the trading experience as same as the classic version. If you are our existing MT5 traders, you may know that to trade the Gold&FX, you need to create a separate account and use a passcode and to log into a third-party platform. We streamline this experience. As a followers, when you follow a master, you don't need to take effort for this stuff. Your MT5 account will be automatically created. So the only difference between copy trading JFX and the classic version is there's a time lag between when you are binding a master or you add or remove funds, because we need to communicate with a third party MT5, right? So normally it takes about 30 seconds, and most of the time within 1 minute. So that is the only difference for the followers experience. And for master, that's relatively simple. You click on join as a trader and finish the information input. Then you can get a confirmation email. You can start the MT5 trading. The platform will help you to attract the followers. So two things. First one is for masters, you can you can lead both the crypto trading and the JFX, so that you don't need to switch between different sub accounts for these two copy tradings. And second one, if you have multiple strategies, you can create separate sub accounts for both. And there's only one major difference between the JFX and the classical version. That is the profit sharing mechanism. We call it high watermark. The high watermark means the master trader can get profit sharing only when the followers activity is higher than the historical high. So let's make a very simple example. For example, the follower invests in 1,000, and the first week they get 1,200. The profit sharing will be 200, and multiplied by the profit sharing rate, let's say 10%, then it will be 20. And for the second week, if the follower's equity falls to 1,100, then there will be no profit sharing because the historic high is 1,200. And for the third week, if the equity increased to 1,500, the profit sharing will be 300 times the 10%, because historical high is 1,200. So that is how high watermark works. And for the rest part, the trading experience is also very similar to the classical version. That's how the copy trading JFX works.
Thanks, Eric, for the very detailed breakdown. Argus, you've been trading for a while. Be honest, would you ever copy trade someone else, or do you prefer full control?
Well, yeah, after all of these years, of course, it's much better to trade by myself. And of course, the benefits are huge. But the thing is, I have been discussing this in a very nice gala, VIP gala event in Athens with Ben the previous year. And I said, so, well, yeah, we have the MT5, of course, trading in gold and FX. Why we don't make that a very nice experience with copy trading? So this is how the idea came out. So this is where we are today. The product is live. Everyone can use it, and of course, everyone can be benefited by that.
Great. So it's really thanks to you that everyone at Bybit can actually enjoy this product now, right? They don't have to have a lot of knowledge about it, and they can actually just copy trade professional traders like yourself if they want to try out this market, right?
Well, it's actually thanks to Bybit team and of course Ben that they have been listening to what are the demands, I would say, from the traders. And of course, everything happened. It was just an idea. So thanks to the team that actually built it. And here we are today.
Thanks, Argus. You've built your own strategies for years, but if a trader copied your trades exactly, do you think they would get the same results as you? Why or why not?
Well, the thing is that when you are a trader and you are, of course, performing your strategies over something, then especially when someone is actually copying the same moves at the same time, then they will get benefited by that. So why not? So this is the magic thing regarding copy trading, that someone is relying on a trader. And the best thing and the best advice that I would give, of course, is not a financial advice, is to never keep all your eggs in the same basket. So it would be nice, of course, to have a risk management, no matter if you are an amateur or not, and try always to invest a part of what you're doing in separate accounts. So that's what I believe that I can save you from everything. You have to, of course, see the performance. You have to see how people are trading, and of course, you have to see the performance.
Yeah, definitely. And what about you, Eric? Like, what's your advice to someone who's worried about copy trading and giving up control?
Actually, I think it's a problem, but not a big problem, because in copy trading we provide different mechanism like stop loss and take profit. So as long as when you make copy trading, you set a stop loss and take profit, and your risk is limited, and you can have a reasonable expectation on how much you will gain. So that will minimize the worry.
Yeah, definitely. And one thing that stands out about copy trading Gold&FX is that this uses USDT and not fiat. So Eric, why was this decision made, and how does it make trading easier?
Yeah, basically for two reasons. First one is most of our users are crypto holders, right? So that we make USDT as the investment currency, so that you don't need to deal with the exchange between fiat and cryptos. And secondly, sometimes for example, we have new meme coin or new like trading pairs, you feel it's a good opportunity, so that you can quickly unbinding your leaders and then go to trade this coin to take the profit. And then after this, you can switch back to copy trading MT5, so that you don't need to deal with the fiat crypto exchange. That will make this process streamlined.
Thank you. And if Argus, if you had to pick a master trader to copy today, what's the first thing you would look at? Like their win rate or like their strategy? What would you look at?
Well, the win rate sometimes it can be a little bit of trap, but you have to see the performance over time. So always you have to have two factors, and this is of course the price, but is also the time. So you have to see how long they perform and how good the results are within this period of time, because this is the master key, I believe, so you can pick up an amazing trader that you can actually be benefited from that. And if you are an amateur, it's good to do some kind of research before you are going to put your hard working money in the markets.
Definitely. That's good advice. That's a good tip. And let's be real. If I want to make quick money, would you recommend copy trading, or do you think it's more for like long-term gains?
Well, yeah, the thing is that I believe always in long term. And I believe in long term because you are not going to see results within a month or like 2 months. This is the best thing you can do for a trader, is actually to leave him perform for a period of time. So then you can see if all of this is actually working, because the strategy sometimes that every trader has is not working in every environment. It can work, for example, in an uptrend, in a downtrend, or sideways, and you have to leave time to pass so you can understand if this specific strategy that the trader actually occurs over the charts is working in this long term. Because if he is applying a strategy, he is most likely going to go well after a period of time. So you need some time to actually see and of course understand the environment of how he's trading and what his aspect is.
And what's your take on this, Eric? Do you agree?
Yeah, actually, when we designed this product, we have considered to serve both needs. And let me share my screen. Yeah. So you see, we have a different rank list for our followers to choose their leaders. First one is top ROE. This is basically for the followers who want to make quick money, because this rank list is ranked by the top ROE calculated in 7 days time window, so that if you want to do quick money, you should pick a leader from this rank list. And if you believe in long-term run, then you can switch to the top balance traders. In this rank list, we consider both the profit and the drawdown with a 30-day time window, so that basically the leaders in this rank list are mostly like stable return guys. And we also have a
Yeah,
so
clearly,
yeah, sure.
Yeah, so clearly you guys really designed this product very well to cater to different kinds of traders depending on what they actually want from this product, right?
Exactly.
And this is amazing. This is amazing because everyone can actually work over this place where everyone can get, they can gather, they can see what is happening inside, and of course see regarding the time frames that they want to also apply on. Let's say you want to have something short term, mid-term, or long term. So that's amazing. Just my belief is that when what applies on my strategy, of course, is something that is on long term. So because I want to stay in the market, of course.
Yeah, then you will be like listed in the top
Exactly.
trader.
Yeah.
And for the rank list design, we also consider the new traders. So we have a rank list called the top new talents. For this rank list, we only allow trading days within 30 days. So that is a good opportunity for our new leaders, attract followers. So if you are new traders, no worry. This rank list is especially for you.
All right. Thanks, Eric. Yeah, and besides passive income, what's another big advantage of copy trading Gold&FX that users might not know about?
Actually, because different market, like no matter it's like cryptos or metals or commodities, they have their own bull and bear cycle. And for each trading strategy, no matter it's like a trend following or mean reversion, they will fit only one market or several market conditions, but not for all. So that if you have a strategy and you trade only one market, then your trading opportunities is limited. But with MT5 and the copy trading MT5, so you can apply your strategy to different markets without like moving your asset from one platform to the other and vice versa. So that's why we provide MT5 and MT5 copy trading.
So really yeah, that's actually very good, because back in time, like what people used to do is that they had like to cash out their USDT, or if they wanted to put it in an FX market, then they just had to remove all their money out of the exchanger. So that's actually amazing. And when I saw it and I said to Ben that this is a great idea regarding Gold&FX, then here we are. Why to not create this kind of product? So this is where we are today. And this is very, very, very helpful, because you don't need to move your money, and especially you don't need to swap your USDT.
Yep, definitely. And in a setting where like time means money, this really means a lot, right? That seamless process.
Exactly.
Okay,
so
but
the whole thing is that it helps a lot, because many people, they are actually trapped in this thing, and they Bybit is the first that can actually bring something like that, and this is impressive.
Right. Thanks, Argus. Some traders worry that copy trading removes control. Maybe Eric, would you like to clarify what aspects traders still have control over when they copy someone else?
Yeah, sure. First point, as I mentioned before, you can set a stop loss and take profit. And secondly, actually, you can add or remove funds anytime between your finish copy trade. So if you feel your copy trade good, you can add funds. And if you feel it's risky or you have taken like enough profit, you can withdraw some funds. So that help you do the risk management. And also, we provide full information on your master trader. So when you click on the, let me share my screen. If you click on any of the master trader, let's pick one. For example, we pick this one. And we provide all the indicators and the performance chart to help you get familiar with this MasterTrader. And the upper right button, we show different time frame, like 7 days, 30 days, and 90 days. So if you want to get some of kind of control, you can see their long-term run. Because this product is launched in January the 15th, so most of the traders have only one month. But for the classic version, you can choose 90 days, so you can see if the MasterTrader, the performance is stable. So that's also provided kind of control.
Okay. Thanks, Eric. Copy trading sounds like a game changer, but here's the thing, right? It's not about just copying trades. It also depends on what you're trading. So that brings us to our next big question. Why trade gold and Forex? Let's explore how these markets work and why they might just be the hidden gems of copy trading. But before that, I see that there's a lot of comments in the chat box. So let's just address maybe one or two of them before we move on to the next segment. So I see a lot of people being very excited to hear everything that you guys have to say. So someone actually said, I'm interested, can it be done through phone? So can they actually try out copy trading Gold&FX on their phone?
Yes, of course. This is available on both the web and app. And actually on app, if you go to click on the copy trading, and then at the bottom of your screen, there will be like Classic, Pro, and Gold&FX. The third one is the access point for copy trading MT5.
Great. So you can definitely do it on the go, wherever you are, right? Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Keep the questions coming, guys. Just let us know what you would like to find out more of, and our incredible panelists will answer your questions. Right. So let's just move on first. So we all know that gold is the go-to safe haven asset, and Forex is the largest market in the world. But what does that actually mean for traders? More importantly, how do you make money from them? Let's break down the best trading strategies, key market movers, and why experienced traders swear by these markets. So gold has been around as a store of value for thousands of years. August, why do traders today still rely on it?
The thing is that traders today, they ask always for volatility, and volatility is what actually brings money. That's why we are using, of course, what we call leverage, so we can leverage and maximize our profits. The thing is, when we are entering inside this, of course, the thing is that gold is not so volatile asset. We have seen gold growing, like a few days ago, it was just passing the all-time highs again for us once more. So we see that the growth is actually crazy the last period of time. Like since previous May, we have seen the breakout like from $2,000. And right now is a very nice period of time to trade gold. So why? Because we have more volatility of what we actually used to have in the past. So with the leverage, and what we are doing is that we are maximizing our profits, and we do much more moves regarding to our strategy. Of course, depends on what we are: day traders, swing traders, or let's say position traders. If you are a position trader, I believe that it's much better option, since you need volatility, but also you need faster moves to work, let's say, with crypto. But at this point, right now, if you are going to maximize, of course, your leverage that you can have up to 500, then this is amazing, because you can be a scalper, you can be a day trader, and you can get daily moves that they can make you actually very wealthy. So that's the thing regarding traders and how they use gold, and what they can do today. Of course, the volatility on crypto is much more. So if you will apply a leverage of 500, then the moves are getting more risky. The thing is that you try to find a balance between crypto leverage and, of course, gold leverage. So you maximize a little bit, so you can have much better results.
And when we compare gold to crypto, gold is in general known for its stability, right? Do you think that this stability is actually boring for traders, or do they spice it up by using leverage to trade gold?
Well, yeah, we have actually a wrong aspect, because as I explained before, traders, they want to work with leverage. So they maximize this volatility with leverage. So that's the whole thing. It's not a big deal regarding the fact that we don't have so much volatility, because then the leverage is actually working, and you can make things happen.
And okay, a lot of people see Forex as too complex because of macroeconomic factors. Do you think it's actually harder than crypto trading, or it's just different?
Depends again on because you have less volatility, of course. When you see the one asset like Bitcoin, it can move like 5-6% in one day. Meanwhile, euro dollar is not going to do that much. So what you're doing again is that you're using the leverage, so you can, of course, use the volatility. The thing is what kind of trader you are. If you have been a day trader, then of course things are going to be much more stressful, and no matter where you are, if you are in crypto market or if you are in Forex market.
Okay, then maybe you could share like one trading strategy that works well for gold and Forex, but isn't as useful for crypto. Is there such a strategy?
Well, yeah, of course, you can use strategies, especially when it comes to smart money concepts. For example, you can work very nicely with fair value gaps and stuff that they can help you very, very, very much. And with a very nice risk to reward ratio, then you can be a very profitable trader with very small moves. And you can actually do a very simple strategy and get a very nice benefit from that. Definitely. And yes, you can have in both. You can work with smart money concepts, for sure, in Bitcoin, for example. You can work in Ethereum, and also you can use it in Forex trading as well, gold.
But okay, let's say someone watching today has only ever traded like Bitcoin. How should they start exploring gold and FX markets without getting overwhelmed?
Yeah, sure, Eric.
Yeah, actually, for the to get familiar with the MT5, let me share my screen. There are basically some easy ways. First one, we have learn. This the set points here. You go to Bybit Learn, and in the upper right corner, you type in like MT5 or Gold&FX. You can find some useful articles. And the next thing is the positive way that help you get familiar with MT5 is make your hand dirty, right? So you go to tools and like Gold&FX. And here, here we have the demo trading, right? You see, so this helps you create a demo trading account in both Bybit and the MT5, and you can use this demo account to do whatever trades you want, because there's no real money, so you don't have the risk of real loss. So with this tool, you can get familiar with in a very deep view of this product.
Thanks, Eric. Argus, you wanted to share something earlier?
No, actually, it's very helpful what Eric has said.
Okay, thank you. Okay, then let's move on. So Forex traders, just bringing it back to your point earlier about how they use a lot of leverage, right? So can you explain how that works and when traders should use it carefully? Like how should you navigate like volatile markets?
Can you repeat the question? Sorry, I had a problem.
No worries. So Forex traders have access to massive leverage, right? Like what you mentioned earlier. Can you explain how that works and when traders should use it carefully? Like, for example, how should they navigate more volatile markets?
Yeah. So the thing is, of course, when you see a market that is not that volatile, and you see that things are much easier, or they seem easier to you, then of course, without this being a financial advice, then you can maximize your leverage. So it's simple as that. When you see that you have a market that is very volatile, and you can try some money on, or you can just use demo trading, then you can understand that if you are losing a lot of money, then maybe your leverage is too high. So then you have to minimize it. It's simple as that.
So someone actually asked, what is the smallest amount I can start with when using copy trading Gold&FX? Maybe Eric, you could share.
Yeah, The amount is like default is 100 USDT, but it can be customized by the leaders. So leaders can set a higher amount than like 100.
So it really depends on who you choose to follow, and you should make sure that the person that you choose to follow aligns with your own risk appetite and your own strategy, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Minimize loss. Okay. Argyris, when do you personally prefer trading gold over Forex, and when do you focus more on Forex?
Well, to be honest, I'm focusing much more in gold. Is an asset that I learn much better to trade on, of course. And if you go, for example, on forex pairs and stuff, then things get a little bit more complicated because you have like some more volatile moves. Not that gold doesn't have them that much, but it's much easier to have a little bit more stabilized environment regarding gold, and you can expect things happen in your direction most of the times. So yeah, I believe that gold is a little bit better than FX regarding my aspect.
And what about Forex versus crypto? Do you think traders need to be like more like emotionally stronger to trade Forex?
Well, this depends. Like, you have to also think the fact that forex market is a very old market, is not so new and fresh like crypto. So in crypto, yes, you might gonna have a little bit more volatility, but the things are going to your direction most of the times. And I mean, you know that we're pretty much gonna have a bear market, a bear cycle, or if you're gonna have a bull market, bull cycle and stuff in crypto than if you will have in forex. But you know that things are gonna move to forex, and it's gonna be much more volatility when crypto is gonna start dropping, because traders, bad or good, they are leaving the one space, they go to the other. This is what is happening regarding bull and bear market.
And you mentioned that you yourself would choose to trade gold. So if you could copy trade only one, a gold trader or a Forex trader, would you be more inclined to choose a Forex trader since you would be able to manage the gold trades on your own?
Well, of course, there are very successful traders on FX, and they can actually do very great. The thing is that now with this option in Bybit, you can see that many of them that they used to have other exchanges and stuff, they can move directly to Bybit. They can use their USDT to trade, and of course, they can attract people to learn the FX and gold market much better. So you will see by the rates and the performance, of course, which traders are good. As I said before, do your own research, and you can see much better what fits you personally. So yeah, I would choose gold, but this has nothing to do with what I believe regarding this field.
What about you, Eric? Just curious about your own personal trading strategy. Just
Yeah.
a disclaimer again, not financial advice, guys.
Yeah, so for me to pick a trader, I think I would prefer gold because there are some shared factors for both gold and the Bitcoin. But for Forex, I think it's a different market. You need to make a lot of learning effort to get familiar with that market.
Agree. So I guess one way to get familiar with it is to really stay informed and read up a lot, right?
Right.
And just try out demo trading first before you actually try the live thing. Okay.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Okay, so let's take a look at the chat box once again. Guys, just continue to keep those questions coming. Engage with us so that you can actually get an additional 50 USDT futures trading bonus. We also have a red packet giveaway coming right up, so keep your eyes peeled. Once the red packet appears on the screen, click it, fulfill the requirements, and you will be able to claim your Trump tokens. Okay, so someone actually asked, how much leverage is available for gold and FX trading? Maybe Eric, you can take this one.
Yeah, actually, we provide different kind of trading pairs like metals, commodities, and forex. For most forex is up to 500, but for commodities they are relatively low, ranges from 20 to 50. So it really depends on what trading pairs you are choosing. Yeah.
Okay. So it's up to 500x, right?
Up to 5, yeah, but depends on the trading pairs.
Okay. Thanks, Eric. Okay, so we've talked about what copy trading is, why gold and forex are massive opportunities, and how traders make the most of them. But here's where it gets exciting. What if you could trade and win big at the same time? Bybit's copy trading Gold&FX Fiesta is here with a 130,000 USDT prize pool, plus an additional 5,000 USDT prize pool that you can unlock with its Read to Earn campaign on Bybit Learn. And you don't even have to be a pro to participate. So maybe Eric, can you give us a quick rundown and how does the Fiesta work and who can join?
Yeah, sure. Let me share my screen to show the set points for this campaign. So again, first you go to copy trading and copy trading GFX. And then at the upper right corner, it is the campaign card. So when you want to attend some campaigns, always go to this place first. You switch the card to the second one, and you see the copy trading Gold&FX Fiesta. And you click join. This is the landing page of this campaign. You click register, and then you successfully participated in this campaign. So in this campaign, we provide 3 tasks. First one is become a master trader in copy trading GFX and make your first trade. After this, you can get a 50 USDT airdrop. And this is a real USDT, not trading bonus, not loss coverage voucher. It's a real USDT. So it's a huge, right? And the second task is for any master trader and finish your first copy trade to get 10 USDT airdrop. Again, same thing. It's a real USDT. And the second one is a daily task that is trade at least 2 lots of GFX, and you will earn 1 lucky draw chance. Lot, you can compress it as the minimum trading amount of trading pair. And here, actually, we provide a UI to let you track your progress. So if you your first trade, that will go at this place, and you second one, you will get a chance to make this lucky draw here. And for the price pool, we have mentioned it's like 130 USDT. It's a huge, so you have a high chance to earn something in this campaign.
Thanks, Eric. Argus, let's say you're a beginner and you just heard about this Fiesta giveaway. Would this be enough to convince you to start copy trading? Why?
Yeah, yes, for sure. Like definitely, because actually the price is huge, and also you can start something new that can provide you with a new chance, and of course something that can provide you with a lot of money. Not now, but also later on.
Yeah, plus like the minimum is just 100 USDT. I mean,
yeah,
if you're
exactly. Like
lying
is the
around,
minimum.
you might as well.
Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. So yeah, I would definitely try that.
Yeah, and plus, like Eric, you mentioned that this is like actual USDT given to the user, and it's not just like a trading bonus or a voucher, it's actual USDT. So I think that's pretty appealing. I'm sure a lot of the people in the audience are scrambling to sign up for this campaign right now. Okay, moving on. A lot of traders might wonder, should they copy trade just to win rewards, or should they pick traders who align with their long-term strategy? Because either way they still get the rewards, right? But what's your take? What would you do? Yeah.
If you are very good to actually do the job and the good research, then I believe that you can get huge benefits by using like working with traders that they do today, let's say a lot of profits and stuff, or like in a very short period of time. If you are, of course, someone that doesn't have so much time, then you can invest in these guys that they are actually going long term. So that's the whole thing. Like if you have a lot of time to use regarding this, then you can make a lot of money. Someone else can trade for you, and both are win-win.
Yeah, it's like earning passive income without you having to really do much, right?
Exactly.
Okay, and Eric, maybe you could answer this. Like, if a trader wants to copy trade, can they only copy trade one trader, or how many can they copy trade at a time?
It's up to 20 copy trades for each sub account. So if you have multiple sub accounts, you can copy more.
Oh, so all they have to do is just create an additional sub account if they would like to copy trade more master traders. Is that right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, great. I'm sure a lot of people will be very interested in copy trading because, like, if you're busy, who has time to stare at the charts all day, right? So you can just copy master trader. Of course, ensure that this person aligns with your own trading strategy and make sure you do your own risk management. Okay, let's just take a look at some questions from the audience before we continue. So someone asked, can I trade gold and forex with USDT or do I need fiat? Maybe this person missed out the front part of the segment. Maybe Eric, you could elaborate on this again?
Yeah, the investment currency is USDT, so you don't need to take effort to do the exchange between fiat and cryptos.
Here's an interesting question. Can someone earn a living from copy trading? What do you guys think?
If you want to earn a living from copy trading, then you need to take some effort to learn the learn the mechanism and make sure you make stop loss and take profit for each of your copy trades. So this is highly recommended.
The thing is, you can actually do very good if you are gonna work with that, and if you want to make a living from this, then I believe that you should be a trader. Because if you try to make it passive income, then of course you need some kind of capital so you can live from that, make a living. But it's an insane opportunity for someone that is starting as a trader to work with the field, become a good trader, and then with very fast moves and a risk to reward ratio that can help you out over 100 trades. If you can be profitable at least on 50-60 trades, then the risk to reward ratio is going to pay you out and more people are going to start following you. So why not?
Yeah, and if you use copy trading for a living, then you make sure you build a good long-term record. So that's why you need to make good risk control, because we can show as long as 90 days. Maybe later we show 180 days. So as long as you have a good record, then you can automatically attract more followers.
Thanks, Eric and Argyris. So someone asked, is it possible for me to minimize my risk based on my risk management while copy trading? So like the trade.
Yes.
Yeah, of course,
yes, of course.
Of course you can minimize your risk. I mean, there are also factors that you can set your limits and you cannot lose more. So stop loss is the best thing you can do.
Okay, thank you. I see that there are really a lot of questions and a lot of engagement from the chat, but unfortunately, we've covered a lot today and we're running out of time. Those were some great questions. If we didn't get to yours, don't worry. You can always reach out to us on Bybit's social media channels or visit Bybit Learn for more insights. So that's a wrap. A huge thank you to our panelists, Argyris and Eric, for sharing their insights today. It's been an amazing session and we hope you found it valuable and entertaining. Final call to claim your red packet rewards before the stream ends. And if you've been active in this live chat, keep an eye out because you might be winning that 50 USDT futures trading bonus. And if you haven't already done so, if that wasn't already too appealing, do sign up for the Bybit copy trading Gold&FX Fiesta now and get in on the action. If you've been busy, haven't had time to look at the charts, why not let someone else do the work for you while you reap the rewards at the end of the day? Don't miss your chance to win your share of 130,000 USDT in rewards and unlock an additional 5,000 USDT prize pool by heading to Bybit Learn and checking out our Bybit Copy Trading Gold&FX Read to Earn campaign. All you have to do is read a couple of modules, complete a quiz, and you'll earn a reward. Of course, please note that none of the topics discussed today are meant to be financial advice. Everything is just purely educational. So thank you once again to our panelists and to you, our audience, for tuning in to today's Copy Trading Gold&FX live stream. For more information, please visit our Bybit Learn website and don't forget to connect with all of us on social media. We also have some exciting new projects that are coming up on Bybit, so just keep a lookout. So yeah, thanks again and see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.